Alright guys, I wanted to show you because I finally got my box and look, it is over here and I wanted to unbox it for you to see what it looks like. So let me do. And you say it's the box for my essential oils. It's taken me years to actually find something, or not even find, to decide to buy something. Alright, so I'm gonna entangle this. This is really cool baggie. And alright, it's in a paper bag. Oh, look how nicely it's packed. Shit, it came also in a bubble thingy-majiggy. And voila, look. Wow, that's pretty. So it has engraved tab. It's made of wood. They had another color to it. It was like sort of off-whitish, old antique. It has a closure like this. It looks pretty cool. It feels good in my hand too. So let's open it. Well, wow, this is really cool. I'm so gonna. It's supposed to fit, I think 25 oils in there, either sizes. I also got some labels so I can put them on top of it. So I just wanted to share with you. This is exciting. It feels really nice. The workmanship for this box is great. It was only like 20 bucks with some shipping. I love it. I might consider buying more stuff like this for my oils. So you're gonna, what do you think? I'll show you just for the sake of it how the oil. So here's my thieves oil, and ta-da, close it. It fits perfectly. What about small box? Small things. Okay, so I have like black sprues in here. Yeah. Okay. Focus, mister. It doesn't want to focus for some reason. In any case, they fit both perfectly in this box. So there you have it. I'm excited. Alright then.